All right, so we're going to do the speed round for the week 9 assignment for sorting. This one's going to go really, really fast. It's probably going to take me longer to just explain what we're going to be doing than showing you exactly what we're going to be doing. So there's 4 essential elements you need to watch out for in this assignment. That is, you need to format the document so it looks professional and attractive. You need to sort the Tasty Chicken restaurant list alphabetically. Then we're going to sort the executive team alphabetically by last name. And then we're going to sort the final table by second quarter expenses in a descending order. Sounds difficult, but it's actually pretty darn easy. Okay, so here's my finished product. Dun, dun, dun. It's don't judge me because I'm not a designer. So this is what I came up with as my design. So, anyways, this is the raw document. So here's my finished document. Raw document. Notice I dressed it up, dolled it up. I'm not going to do that part. I'm going to let you guys go ahead and choose your theme, images, whatever you want to do. Just make it look nice. Just nicer than this looks. So we're not going to spend time on that one. I'm going to spend time on the sorting. So the first one is they want us to sort this information by these first words. So Rosewood, Cotton, Abbott, Winchester, Griffey. If we sort all of that information, so we want to highlight the information that we want to sort, then come up here to the little sorting button, click on sort, and we're going to get some options here. So I'm going to have this as ascending, and I went to options. The reason why I'm going to options is that you can tell it that there's a delimiter. That's what I'm going for. Anyways, it's how words or fields are separated. In this case, they're separated by spaces. So we put other and we put a space there. So you notice I highlighted and it looks like a space. You can do tabs, commas, or other. I usually do other unless there are commas. So let's say I wanted to sort this list by the street numbers. I could do that and say I'm separating this by commas because it goes name, comma, and then the next thing. But in this case, we're going to do space. Click OK. And we're going to do this based off of paragraphs. So I said sort by paragraphs. It's going to be text and ascending. And hit. Notice the order right now. It says Rosewood, Cotton, Abbott, Winchester. Click OK. Bam. Abbott, Cotton, Griffey, Rosewood, Winchester. It's magic. All right. So the next one is we want to sort this executive team by last name. Okay. What I want to do is highlight, start from the right, go to the left bottom, right there, everybody's information. And I'm going to hit the sort button again. And we're going to select options, make sure that we have other selected and that there's a space in there. Click OK. And I want to sort this by word 2. What that means, it's going to not sort by this first word, the first name. It's going to sort by the second name. And the reason it knows that there's a second name or a second word is that we said the separator is the space. So it's first name, space, last name. So that's why this list, I can choose word 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to choose word 2, want it to be ascending. Notice the last names now. Click OK. And now we have everybody sorted by their last name. So we have Carrie Archambault, and then at the bottom we have Pat Sari. So it's now sorted by last name. All right. Now for the last one. This one we're going to sort by second quarter expenses. And we want it to be in descending order, which means the highest at the top, lowest at the bottom. This is kind of a gimme because this one already is pretty much sorted. It's going to swap these two right here, these mid ones here. And you notice that this one is kind of sorted in ascending order. So what you could do to just kind of play around, you could put this as like a really high number, just so I can prove that it's sorting properly and it's sorting by this field and not those. So we're going to highlight all of the information, and then we go to sort. And we want to make sure that it's sorting by second quarter expenses. Now, the reason why it knows these 3 things, restaurant location, first quarter expenses, and second quarter expenses, is because I highlighted everything, including that header. Okay? So we want it second quarter expenses. We want it descending. And don't need to really worry about options here. Okay, so it's second quarter expenses in a descending order. So watch this number 910 is going to float to the top. And there we go. You notice that it now sorts in ascending order. Don't change that number to 910. Leave it as it was, which is 210. And again, highlight everything, including the headers. Go to sort. You want it by second quarter expenses and descending. And then when you click OK, it just swapped these two around. And then again, make it look pretty. Make it look better than mine. I mean, mine's a failed attempt at making things look pretty, but I do what I do. Anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You guys are doing awesome. We're week 9. It's crazy. Time is flying by. Take care.